Good morning, friends. Today I'm start chapter 10, haloalkane and haloarine. Next topic is chemical reaction of haloalkane. Okay. In previous lecture we can study the SN1 SN2 reaction. The next topic is elimination reaction. Okay. First of all, what is the elimination of reaction for this chapter? We already discussed what is elimination in standard 11, okay, in general organic chemistry. Okay, so first we can write the definition type, okay, for elimination reaction. When haloalkane is heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, okay, then haloalkane is heated with, that means react with alcoholic KOH, okay, then halogen halide is eliminated. What is eliminated? Hydrogen halide, okay, and the alkene is formed. Okay, haloalkane is heated with alcoholic KOH, then the halogen halide is eliminated. That means in haloalkane hydrogen and halide is removed, eliminate, and alkene is formed. Okay, that means product is a alkene. Okay, a simple example, general example. Okay, this is the example. In this example, halogen X means halogen, okay, this halogen attached with that carbon, that means this carbon is a alpha carbon, okay, next carbon is called beta carbon. Halogen attached with that carbon, this carbon, that means this carbon is alpha carbon, next carbon is beta carbon. For example, another carbon is there, that means gamma carbon. Okay, this haloalkane react with alcoholic KOH and heated, then this nucleophile reagent OH minus attack on hydrogen and form, first is H2O. Okay, that means hydrogen is eliminated. Okay, hydrogen is eliminated with nucleophile OH minus. Then this electron transfer to carbon-carbon double bond. Then halogen is removed. Okay, this halogen attached with potassium, that means KX. Okay, and what is the final product? The final product is C double bond C, that means alkene. Okay, I am writing the final product at last because first we eliminate hydrogen, then halogen, then remaining part is alkene. Okay, in this reaction hydrogen and halogen is eliminated. That means this reaction is called This reaction is called dehydrohalogenation. Okay. Next point. In this reaction, halogen removed from alpha carbon. Halogen is eliminated from alpha carbon and hydrogen is eliminated from beta carbon. So this reaction is called beta elimination reaction. Okay. Why we call this a beta elimination reaction? Because of hydrogen is eliminated from beta carbon and halogen is eliminated from alpha carbon. Okay. We are not concluding for this elimination reaction, only beta word. Beta means beta hydrogen. Okay. Beta carbon have beta hydrogen, alpha carbon have alpha hydrogen. Okay. Beta carbon containing hydrogen is beta hydrogen is eliminated. So this reaction is called beta elimination reaction. Okay. Again I can repeat, hydrogen of alkyl halide which is eliminated comes from beta carbon and the halogen from alpha carbon. So it is called beta elimination reaction. Now clear? Okay. Now we get a first example from alkyl halide, that means haloalkane. Example number 1. Okay. First example, CH3 CH2 Br, alcoholic KOH and heating. Okay. Halogen attach this carbon, Br attach this carbon, that means this carbon is alpha and next carbon is beta. Okay, clear? Now what is the name of this compound? Bromoethane. Bromoethane. I am separating this like of compound so you can easily understand what can I say. Okay, the same structure, written as a bond line structure. So this is a alpha carbon, this is a beta carbon. When alcoholic KOH react with this bromoethane, then OH attack on this hydrogen, that means first is form H2O. Okay, nucleophilic attack, nucleophilic reaction. Okay, then this hydrogen is removed, then this bond transfer to carbon carbon double bond and this halogen is removed for the valency of carbon. Okay, so CH2 double bond, CH2. Okay, then what is the next product? Br and K, that means KBr. Okay, this is called ethene या फिर ethene. Okay, so that in this reaction from alpha carbon eliminated halogen atom and from beta carbon eliminated hydrogen. Okay, so this reaction is called a beta elimination reaction, or hydrogen and halogen both are eliminated, that means dehydrohalogenation reaction. Now all of you can understand what can I say. Okay, in elimination reaction, in first example we can discuss all the things. Again repeat, bromoethane react with या फिर heated with alcoholic KOH gives ethene, KBr and H2O. From alpha carbon eliminated bromine, that means halogen. From beta carbon hydrogen is eliminated and form H2O. Okay. From alpha carbon eliminated halogen atom and beta carbon eliminated hydrogen atom. Okay. So this reaction is called beta elimination reaction, and it is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. Now all of you can understand. Okay. Now the second example is isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride, CH3CH3Cl. Okay. In this alkyl halide, halogen attach this carbon, that means this carbon is alpha carbon. Okay. And here two beta carbon, both side, right side and left side, because alpha carbon attached with two carbon, that means here two beta carbon. Okay. Alcoholic KOH react heated, then from alpha carbon remove halogen, that means Cl, eliminated is from alpha carbon halogen is eliminated. Here both beta carbon are same, CH3CH3. Okay. That means we can eliminate hydrogen from any carbon, any of the beta carbon. Okay. Because both beta carbon have methyl group, CH3CH3. So we can remove या फिर eliminate hydrogen from any this of carbon. Okay. We can remove or eliminate hydrogen from this carbon. Okay. That means CH3CH. Okay. Hydrogen is removed from this carbon, that means one hydrogen is removed, that means here CH2. Okay. Here double bond form and here halogen is removed, that means CH double bond CH2. Okay. It is called propene. Now we can remove from this. Okay. We can eliminated hydrogen from this carbon. So what is the product? CH2 double bond CH3. Okay. Now you can understand both the product are same. Okay. When here two beta carbon or both beta carbon is methyl group, when both beta carbon have same, that means we can eliminate hydrogen from any one of the carbon. Okay. Next product is H2O plus KCl. Now all of you understand. Okay. Next example, tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride, that means this carbon is a tertiary carbon. This carbon is a tertiary carbon. Okay. This carbon is alpha carbon because halogen attached this carbon. Okay. Now this carbon and this carbon, that means methyl, methyl and methyl. Here three methyl group and three methyl group are beta carbon because attached with alpha carbon. Okay. Now we can remove alpha carbon, remove from halogen. Okay. That means halogen remove from alpha carbon and beta carbon पर से हम क्या निकालेंगे? हाइड्रोजन. Okay. Now we can eliminate hydrogen from this carbon. Okay. So both CH3 are same. CH3. Okay. Now hydrogen is removed from this carbon, that means here is a double bond and halogen is eliminated. So double bond CH2. So this product is called a 2-methyl propene plus H2O plus KCl. Now all of you understand? Okay. Clear? First example is primary. Now all of you understand. First example मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा था वो. Okay. Second example है वो secondary का है और third example जो है वो tertiary का है. Okay. तो इसके अंदर जो हेलोजन है वो हेलोजन का ऑर्डर क्या होगा, अल्काइल हैलाइड का ऑर्डर क्या होगा हेलोजन के हिसाब से, तो RF, RCl, RBr, RI. That means more reactive is RI, alkyl iodide. Okay. Now what is the order of primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halide? Which one is easily confirm eliminated reaction and more stable product easily obtained? Okay, that means tertiary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, primary alkyl halide and CH3X. That means alkyl halide. Okay, we can easily understand tertiary alkyl halide is easily got a alkene product because they have 3 beta carbon. Okay, there is no confusion. Clear? Now in elimination reaction we can study the Saitzef rules. Okay, what is the Saitzef rules? ये रूल्स हम बाद में देखेंगे, पहले एक एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं. एग्जाम्पल इज CH3, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4, CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, CH3. The name of this alkyl halide is 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane react with alcoholic KOH. And what is the product? Okay. Now Cl attached with this carbon, that means this carbon is alpha carbon. Clearly understand? Okay. Alpha carbon attached this carbon, that means this is beta carbon. Also this is beta carbon, this is gamma carbon. Here we can easily understand both beta carbon is different because one is methyl and another is ethyl. Okay, in previous example we can easily identify both beta carbon in secondary and tertiary. In secondary both methyl group are same. Okay, then in tertiary example 3 methyl group are same. Okay, so we can eliminate hydrogen from any one of the carbon, but in this example we can eliminate hydrogen from this carbon and we can eliminate hydrogen from this carbon also. So we can form 2 product, that means 2 alkene is formed. Okay, now first we can observe that first we can remove hydrogen from this carbon. Okay, that means CH2, hydrogen is removed from this carbon, hydrogen removed, double bond, the halogen is eliminated, that means CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CH3. The product is but1-ene. Another product we know that KCl plus H2O. Okay, in second case, this is the first case and this one is the second case. Okay, now hydrogen is eliminated from this carbon, that means first CH3, CH, double bond, CH2, one hydrogen is eliminated, that means CH, CH3, that means but2-ene plus KCl plus H2O. Now which one is the major product and which product is more stable? More stable product is a major product. Okay, now for this example, that means 2 different types of beta eliminated hydrogen, we can conclude the Saitzef rules. Okay, in dehydrohalogenation reaction the preferred product is that alkene which has the greater number of alkyl group. alkene which has the greater number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. Now here we have two products, but1 and but2. So what is the meaning of Sadzeb rule? We can consider only these two carbon, doubly bonded carbon. Okay. In first example, first product CH2 double bond CH. This is doubly bonded carbon. On left side, no alkyl group is attached. Okay. But on right side, only one alkyl group is attached. In next product, but2, doubly bonded carbon. Okay. Left side, one methyl group. And right side is also one methyl group. That means here two alkyl group in but2 and but1 have one alkyl group. We can consider only alkyl group. आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि यहाँ पे दो कार्बन है, यहाँ पे भी दो कार्बन है, ऐसा नहीं सोचना है. आपको ये देखना है कि डबली बॉन्डेड जो कार्बन है उसके अंदर अल्काइल ग्रुप टोटल कितने प्रेजेंट है. मतलब जितने ज़्यादा अल्काइल ग्रुप होंगे उतनी आपकी मेजर प्रोडक्ट वो स्टेबल प्रोडक्ट होगी. ओके. तो फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट में आप देख सकते हो कि but1 इनके अंदर लेफ्ट साइड एक भी अल्काइल ग्रुप नहीं है और यहाँ पे एक अल्काइल ग्रुप है. ओके. but2 में वन मिथाइल वन और सेकंड, दैट मीन्स टू अल्काइल ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड. दैट मीन्स but2 इज अ मेजर प्रोडक्ट and but1 is a minor product. Okay. The percentage of 81 and this percentage is 19%. Okay. Because this product is a stable and this product is a unstable. Clearly understand? Okay. Now we can study the next. Now the next example, 2-chloropentane, CH3 CH CH2 CH2 CH3, chlorine attached with this carbon. That means this carbon is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, this is also beta carbon, gamma delta. वो हमें लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, फिर भी मैं यहाँ पे आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है. अल्कोहलिक KOH के साथ जब उसको हीट करेंगे तब क्या होगा. तो यहाँ पे बोथ बीटा कार्बन हैव डिफरेंट कंडीशन. हियर CH3 and here is CH2. Okay. That means we have two product. Okay. Now first is removed from this. That means this is A product. Okay. Hydrogen is eliminated from methyl group. That means CH2 double bond, halogen is removed. Okay. Then CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay. It is called pent1-ene. Another product is, we know that, KCl and H2O. Okay. Next, B product. Okay. Hydrogen is removed from या फिर eliminated from this carbon. Okay. That means CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH3. That means pent2-ene. Okay. Now which one is the major product? Which one is the major product and which one is a minor product? तो हम क्या देखेंगे, हमें पहले तो डबली बॉन्डेड जो कार्बन है उस पर राउंड कर लो तो हमारा आंसर अपने आप मिल जाएगा आपको. ओके. हियर ओनली वन अल्काइल ग्रुप, हियर टू अल्काइल ग्रुप. ओके. क्लियर है. ओके. दैट मीन्स दिस वन इज अ मेजर प्रोडक्ट, दिस वन इज अ माइनर प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज 19%, दिस इज 81%. Now all of you can understand. Okay. Which one is a major, which one is a minor product? This is confirmed by Sadzeb rules. Okay. What is the Sadzeb rules? In dehydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product is that in alkene which has the greater number of alkyl group, okay, attached to the doubly bonded carbon atoms. Clear? Okay, now next example number 6. In this example, chlorine attach this carbon, that means this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, this is beta carbon, this is beta carbon, that means here 3 beta carbon. Okay, these 2 beta carbon are same, methyl, okay, and this is differ from these 2. Okay, now we can form 3 product, but we can write only 2 product because 2 methyl group are same. Okay, now the first product is we can remove eliminated hydrogen from this carbon, so CH2 double bond C, CH3, CH2, CH3. What is the name of this product? 2 methyl but 1 in, that means 2 methyl 1 butene. Okay, second, this is A, this is also A. Okay, this is B product. What is the B product? CH3 C, CH3. Okay, that means hydrogen eliminated from this carbon, that means doubly bonded carbon, CH, CH3, that means 2 methyl but 2 in. Okay, we know the another product KCl plus H2O, KCl plus H2O. Okay, which one is the major product? According to Setzev rules, डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन, फर्स्ट हमें राउंड करना है डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन पे, तो हमें इजीली पता चल जाएगा। यहाँ पे जो डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन है यहाँ पे 2 अल्काइल ग्रुप है फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट में, 2 मिथाइल ब्यूट 1 इन में। सेकंड जो प्रोडक्ट है उसके अंदर 3 मिथाइल ग्रुप है, दैट मीन्स 3 अल्काइल ग्रुप। ओके, नाउ कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज अ मेजर प्रोडक्ट, ओके, एंड दिस इज अ minor product. Okay, so we can easily understand the major product and minor product. Now clear all of you? Okay, बीटा एलिमिनेशन का जो टॉपिक था वो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो चुका है।